class of LATEX. So we are going to learn the basics of LATEX in this lecture. So what is LATEX? So LATEX is a high quality typesetting system. It includes features designed for the production of technical and scientific documentations. So it's a software in which we used to write a thesis of postgrads and masters. You can do a whole lot of things. We will see. So we can use LATEX in two ways. The first is online and the second is by editors. So for using online, you have to go a website called overleaf.com. So we will write overleaf. So the first results, we'll click. So you might not be seen as same interface as I'm seeing because I have already logged in. So if you are visiting for first time, you have to be login in the overleaf. As you go in your new projects, you will see the interface like this. So let me start by, so any commands in LATEX start with backslash document class. So these are the basic commands, you have to write it, and in the square bracket we used to write 11 points, this is standard, and in curly bracket we used to write article, and next begin document. As I said, every command in LATEX begin with a backslash. So I'm going to choose the option with the curly bracket, document. And you can write, let's write hello, and document. So these are the basic commands you have to write. So if you recompile it from here, you have to recompile for seeing the output. So this word you are seeing hello, this is small actually. You can see now. So basically I want to stress a thing, that any command you write, you should go to the recompile, because if you write a long command, then you're going to recompile and you will see a 5 and 6 errors, then it will be difficult to remove all errors. So any command, this is my first document, recompile it. Hello, this is my first document. So let's go on offline way to do it, the Texmaker. So if you write Texmaker, we are going to see how to install the Texmaker, and this is the website of Texmaker, and you can download from here. I have already downloaded it, and you have to download one more thing, is console, and its name is MikTeX. So if you go on MikTeX, you can download it from this website. So it provides a console of Texmaker editor, and this is our Texmaker. So you will see a same interface as I am seeing. We will see how to start in Texmaker. So first you have to add a file and you have to save it first. If you do not save it, it will show an error. So you have to save first. Let's save as tutorial 1. And here is one thing, if you are saving a document, don't make spaces. Okay, if you want to make a space, put a underscore, but don't put spaces. So as you write in overleaf, document class, begin document, and end document. So we can write like hello, I am using Texmaker. And for output, you go there. So this arrow before quick build, and you taking a lot of time. Yeah, you can see from there. Let me zoom in. So I want to show you one thing more. Like, you go on a configure LATeX and make sure that you have clicked this embedded. Okay, built-in viewer and embedded. If you do not check this, you will see another file will open in the name of output. So, and you should tick on the launch the clean tool when exiting Texmaker, because if you do not click this, you will have a lots of files which you do not need. You need only text file and a PDF. On a quick build, make sure you are clicked on a PDF LATeX plus view PDF. We'll see the uses of these all, but for the first time you should use PDF LATeX plus view PDF. Then there is a lots of things you can change. I am not going to change. I'm going to change the font that so that you can see better. Let's make it 20. So okay, and from here you can use you can write a lot of things. This is my first document, compile it. So we'll see the output is in the same line. So for changing the line, you should put a backslash and recompile. So it will not changing a line. Let me put a double backslash. So it changed the line. So we can write a lot of things here. So let's go on some more basic things, like in the document we can add more things, like we can add a title, and in the title, in the curly brackets, you can use the title that this is my document, and you can use author and curly bracket, and it's you, and you can use date also. So in the date, let's suppose today is 18 of March 2021, and these all commands should be before begin documents. Okay, so after the date we would begin the document. So now you can make title also by using make title command, and you can use that this is my sample, and you have a document. Let's see what is the result. So as you put the title, this is my document, it is in the center and it is in some large. So you can write this also. Remember to put a begin document after the title, author and date. So we can see some more basic things, like if we want to make our output bold, so we can use an environment called enumerate. So after begin document and make title, you can use a begin enumerate. So after using enumerate, we will write backslash item, here is sum. So you write then again backslash text bf. Bf means bold forced, and in the curly bracket you will write bold forced. Nothing special, just writing the same thing as full form of bf, and we will see the result. And let's write text let's end the enumerate environment. Then you have end document also, so that there's no mistake. So yeah, you can see the bold force yani after the text bf you write, and then in the curly brackets you will see the bold forced, and here is the result. So for output to be italic you can use a command. Term here is some EMPH. So what is the full form of EMPH? Let's write the same thing in the curly brackets. It's emphasize. So for the output we have some mistake. Line 14, perhaps a missing list environment. Oh, I have write in after end the environment. This is a mistake, so you should write after this. So I copied and pasted. So yep, you can see this emphasizes in italic. So for output you can press F1 key also. Let's do some mathematical things. How to write a mathematical equation. So we are now in a math mode. So for writing an equation, as y is equals to x, a simple equation. For writing a mathematical equation, you have to put equation in a dollar. Let's see the result. Yep, you can see the output. If you don't put a dollar sign, let's remove the dollar sign, then let's see the output. You will see y is equals to x is not in the mathematical typesetting. You will see is that like alphabetical. So in mathematics, for looking like a equation, you have to put the equation inside a dollar sign. So you can see the result. Like if you want to write y is equals to, sorry, y is equals to sine of x. So for writing y is equals to sine of x, you have to do two things. First, you have to put it in a dollar sign. Let's see the result first. You will see is sine x, but we not see sine x as this in a books. For this, you can use a backslash here. Oops, sorry. There's a mistake. Let's put backslash after sign. There's again a mistake. Let's look at this. We will see why this mistake is happening. Let's try some things. Not working. At this time, we should leave it. We will see for sometimes that how it works. Write equations like y is equals to 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Let's look at the output as it is. Sorted text, what is it saying? Sorted texts missing inserted. Yeah, you have to put in a dollar sign, then it will give a result because it's equation. Yep, you can see the equation. If you want to put, let's see an interesting case. If you want to see that I spend $11 today, how will you put this $11 inside a dollar? So if you will put in a dollar sign, okay, so you want to put this $11 in these $2. It's an interesting scenario. You will see an error. So for this, you have to put a double dollar and a backslash here. Probably this is the, no, this is not the case. We can use backslash here, I think. Nope. Let's leave it here. We will see in some times. So let's look at some more equations. I pressed F1 key for the output, and you can see the output here. So now you can easily make some output from these things. You can put document class first, then you can put some basic things like author, date, and then begin document and use some environments. We'll talk about environments later. You can make your output bold by use text pf, and emphasize, you can emphasize by emph. Don't forget to put backslash before the command. So yeah, let's end here today's lecture, and we will see